Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the captivating and often untold story of the man behind the iconic lingerie brand, Victoria's Secret. This is the story of Roy Raymond, a visionary entrepreneur who forever changed the world of fashion and beauty. If you're curious about the origins of Victoria's Secret and the remarkable journey of its founder, you are in the right place. Let's uncover the untold story of Roy Raymond. The early years. Roy Raymond was born on April 15, 1947, in Connecticut, USA. He grew up in a modest family and showed an early aptitude for entrepreneurship. 1. Entrepreneurial spirit. As a young boy, Roy demonstrated his entrepreneurial spirit by starting various small businesses, from mowing lawns to selling greeting cards. 2. Pursuit of education. After high school, Roy attended Tufts University, where he studied economics. His academic journey would later intersect with his passion for business. The idea for Victoria's Secret was born out of Roy Raymond's personal frustration while shopping for lingerie for his wife, Gaye Raymond. In the mid-1970s, Roy realized there was a significant gap in the market. Department stores at the time offered limited selections of lingerie and provided little privacy for men shopping for their partners. Inspired by his own experiences, Roy envisioned a store that catered to both women and men, offering a wide range of high-quality lingerie in a comfortable and inviting environment. In 1977, Roy Raymond opened the first Victoria's Secret store in Palo Alto, California. The store's concept was revolutionary at the time. The name, Victoria's Secret, was chosen to evoke a sense of sophistication and mystery, reminiscent of the Victorian era. It also allowed for a subtle nod to femininity. The store's interior design featured wood, antique furniture, and Victorian-inspired decor, creating an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. Despite its innovative concept, Victoria's Secret faced challenges in its early years. The first year of operation was financially challenging, but Roy's dedication and commitment kept the business afloat. In 1979, Victoria's Secret introduced its famous mail order catalog. This innovative marketing strategy allowed the brand to reach a broader audience. Victoria's Secret continued to grow, attracting attention from potential investors. Roy expanded the brand's reach by opening more stores and launching additional product lines, including beauty and fragrance products. In 1982, Victoria's Secret was acquired by The Limited, a major retail conglomerate. While Roy remained involved, the acquisition marked a significant turning point for the brand. As Victoria's Secret continued to flourish, Roy Raymond's role in the company diminished. Roy eventually left Victoria's Secret in 1983, feeling that his vision for the brand had evolved differently from the corporate direction of The Limited. After leaving Victoria's Secret, Roy pursued other business ventures, including a children's retail store. However, he faced challenges and setbacks in his subsequent endeavors. Although Roy Raymond's direct involvement with Victoria's Secret ended in the 1980s, his impact on the lingerie industry and the concept of intimate apparel retailing was profound. Roy's vision transformed lingerie shopping from a functional necessity to a personalized and luxurious experience. Victoria's Secret went on to become a global lingerie and fashion brand, known for its extravagant fashion shows and iconic angels. In conclusion, the story of Roy Raymond and Victoria's Secret is a testament to the power of innovation, vision, and the pursuit of one's entrepreneurial dreams. Roy Raymond's legacy lives on through the brand he created, which continues to shape the fashion and beauty industry. While his journey had its ups and downs, his impact is undeniable. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the untold story of Roy Raymond and Victoria's Secret. If you found it as inspiring as we did, please like, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who appreciate the history of iconic brands. And as always, stay tuned for more fascinating stories and insights right here on our channel. Until next time, keep exploring the remarkable journeys that shape our world.